Welcome to the daily update for the 6 trades a day challenge. This is a smaller fund that you asked us to create that we did 90 days ago. It started off with $30,000. We're putting on 6 0 DTE SPX trades every single day, built by AI, backed by backtests from Options Omega. As you can see from our chart today, this is the update for November 11th, 2025. On Monday, we made $344.61. On Tuesday, we made another $384.01. So we're up, $7,700 some dollars in the last 90 days, and we're up 26% in the last 90 days. People have asked to see our chart to see if we're fibbing or not. So here's our chart, which again shows you the same thing. $37,000 up 384, and we're up 7743. It only goes back 90 days. Today is actually day, I think, 93 or 94. How do you find out about these trades, you ask? If you were checking our shorts, you'll see that here is the shorts we have. We posted this on Saturday, again on Monday. These are the times where we're putting these trades on. The 6 times, plus we got the gambler's bonus at $15.52 if you want to be a gambler. These are all $1.80 put credit spreads and $1.80 call credit spreads. They're multiple entry iron condors. So you're going to put in on a call credit spread and you're going to put on a put credit spread. Each spread is for $1.85 each. Each spread is $50 wide each. Each spread has a stop loss of 95% by the spread. Actually, it's 95% of the short if you want to get technical, but 95% of the spread would also be fine. These are the actual trades that we're running in our smallest account. In our bigger funds, we're running about 122 0 DT SPX trades every single day. And then Maria trades her own fund, and it does primarily naked puts and covered calls. And then Tyler's running his fund as well, which is more of the newer kids, YouTube, Reddit, whatever, younger generation files accounts that he's managing. At any rate, if you're interested in what we're doing, you want to follow along, please check out our channel. It's all absolutely free. The only thing we ask is in the comments below, if you could just tell us how we can make the channel better, the types of videos that you like to see. That's all we're asking. We're not trying to make any money. We just want to try and make every trader better, and hopefully you'll also make us better. But if you want to see what we're doing every single day, it's very transparent. Just check out the channel, and I hope you have a great trading day. And let's see, the production value is not good on this, but here's the thing. The production value will never be worse. All right, here we go.